You just do not notice that we are gifted just for being humans. We are absolute predators. We do not even have any enemies. Maybe there's an animal that's watching us, thinking that someday we will be themselves.
Let's get started.
You just do not notice that
Let's get started.
are gifted just for being humans. We are absolute predators. We do not even have any. And just do not notice that we are gifted just for being humans. We are absolute predators. We do not even have any enemies. Maybe there's an animal that's watching us.
All right, guys. Prepare to start evolving. Tonight we're drawing Shinichi and Meki from Parasyte. These two are a entourage for these guys are an entourage of parasite stoppers. They're on a mission to make sure that nobody gets the feeling of under attack by unknown beings that were cast down from heaven. The parasites have only one goal. They're on a mission to find a new home, but at a cost, they are willing to kill everything for it. This is his partner. Shinichi's life changed forever after an odd-looking worm entered his arm. Since then, the two of them became friends. Not only that, in order to save his life, Meki transferred his actual body into his heart. That way, he'll stay alive. These parasites are capable of taking on many physical shapes and forms. Meki has the ability to change his body design and change the shape abilities on Shinichi's arm. He can transform into a knife, a sword. He can even transform into a... He can also give Shinichi the ability to use all the intrepidal force to stop the bad guys. Shinichi and Meki are actually good people. They're actually good guys. I get good feelings that we'll get to see them again real soon. I consider these two a very interesting and very intelligent team. Hopefully we'll get to see them again. These guys are heroes. I'm proud I get to draw him. Well, both of them actually. That is how you draw Shinichi and Meki. As we all know, after the final threat was defeated, the parasites, well, they continued their plan to coexist with humanity. And well, these two aren't the only ones. Another guy managed to take another parasite, took over another guy's jaw. Those two became pals as well. Anyway, this guy has been through a lot, and well, he's proud of it. He and Meki have been best pals for a long time, and hopefully we'll get to see them again after Parasyte has another series. Hopefully we'll get to see Parasyte real soon. At first I was a bit nervous after seeing the show, but it turns out it's not bad. Anyhow, that's how you draw Shinichi and Meki, my favorite characters. Farewell, my friends.